Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is October 4th, 2024, and we have some intriguing updates from the world of Tesla. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla has announced its fifth recall of the Cybertruck within a year, affecting over 27,000 vehicles. The latest recall is due to an issue with the Rearview camera, which may not activate immediately after the vehicle is shifted into reverse, potentially delaying the display for up to 8 seconds. This delay exceeds the US requirement for the camera to activate within 2 seconds. Tesla has issued a free software upgrade to resolve this problem, and owner notification letters are expected to be sent out by November 25th. Since the Cybertruck's launch in November 2023, it has faced multiple recalls, including issues with loose trim pieces, malfunctioning windshield wipers, and a sticking accelerator pedal. The first deliveries of the Cybertruck were delayed by 2 years from the original schedule. Tesla's proactive approach includes notifying the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, about the camera issue. Owners can reach out to Tesla customer service or the NHTSA for further assistance. Elon Musk recently celebrated a legal victory in a lawsuit concerning misleading claims about Tesla's self-driving technology. The lawsuit was dismissed, with Musk's lawyers successfully arguing that his statements were mere corporate puffery, meaning they were exaggerated claims that could not be taken seriously by investors. Musk expressed his satisfaction on social media, stating that justice prevails. However, the defense's reliance on the concept of puffery raises questions about the implications of the ruling. The court found that many of Musk's statements regarding the full self-driving (FSD) technology were too vague to be considered actionable misrepresentations. For instance, claims about the safety and capabilities of Tesla's autopilot were deemed non-verifiable and thus not misleading. Critics argue that this defense undermines the seriousness of the claims made by Musk, suggesting that reasonable investors would not rely on such statements. The ruling has sparked discussions about the nature of corporate communications and investor expectations. While Musk may view this as a win, it highlights a troubling aspect of how corporate optimism can shield companies from accountability. The case has left some shareholders contemplating an appeal, questioning the validity of the puffery defense in light of more concrete allegations of misleading practices. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news from the world of Tesla and beyond. Until then, stay informed and drive safely.